is your extended version of your FIT application to how to kickstart your metabolism with breakfast. Now, the purpose of this application and the information we're going to share with you is that breakfast is very important for weight loss, weight gain, weight management, and quality of health. Now, the word breakfast comes from break the overnight fast that the body's in. Now, if you've been asleep for 6, 8, 10 hours, and then you wake up and don't eat till 11, 12, 1 o'clock, then what you're doing, Q? What does that happen? What happens then?
You're harming yourself. It's like getting into a car, taking a trip 2 or 3 hours away without putting gas in your car. That's just what it's like when you get up in the morning, you haven't eaten in 6, 8, 10 hours, you don't eat breakfast, so you go to work, you start off your day, you're irritated, and you don't have any energy.
Well, then if you don't have anything in you, then and you know we're burning energy. So something is causing us to move.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
What are we doing? I mean, what are we burning?
Well, basically, your body is relying on the muscles. That's it. It's relying on the muscles for fuel.
So it's the hard-earned muscle that we worked out
That
the night before.
The muscle you work for is
The workout
eaten
before.
out for fuel.
The workout before.
Yeah.
So the night before you did a hard workout, you went home, you really didn't eat, and then you slept 6, 8, 10 hours, and then woke up, went to work, and didn't eat till lunch. Q, what are we doing then?
Crazy. It's like you're using your muscle, then you're storing body fat as well. So it's like you're on a double-edged sword, kinda.
So actually, you probably just, what you're doing is, you're in a position where you're supposed to be building muscle, but you at the same time, you're using that same muscle for energy. So you actually trained your body to use your muscle for energy and store your body fat. And it's really called starvation mode. And then we also, we was talking about before we started this piece here, we was talking about obesity and breakfast and the link between obesity and breakfast. And what was that piece?
Right. It's like obese people tend not to eat breakfast.
Right.
So you'll find a correlation between obesity and overweight people. They don't eat breakfast or they don't eat a healthy breakfast.
Right.
The ones who are able to maintain a healthy body weight, a low body weight, they're the ones who eat breakfast consistently.
And so basically what we're trying to do here is let you know that you really need to kickstart your anything with breakfast, anything, whether you losing weight, gaining weight, or anything else. Now, one of the things we really got a pet peeve on, and this is Taj's thing right here, because he's the only one in here that really is about this right here. We want you to eat breakfast before you had that cup of coffee. Right, Taj?
Oh, yeah. That's right. Make sure you have your coffee first, okay? Now,
Coffee first?
Excuse me.
Look, what are we talking about? We've been on it so hard about this coffee thing. That really, the importance is that you really want to eat before you have your coffee. Because one thing about it is, as a coffee drinker, Taj knows what it's like to go through when you drink your coffee.
Okay, basically I'm going to tell the truth here, okay? Sometimes you don't feel like getting up and eating, but the first thing on your mind is a cup of coffee.
Right.
And that's what's on my mind in the morning. I want to get some coffee. I want to get some energy. But not knowing that food is the thing that gives you the energy.
Right.
Real energy.
Right.
The problem with having the coffee first is it suppresses your appetite. So you drink the coffee, then you end up not eating breakfast. You don't eat till 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and you start eating the snacks. You start eating the chips and the cakes, and then it's all bad.
And then really, you think that you're okay, and really, from a health standpoint, that is not a good thing to do. So what you can do is you can log on to our website at www.boss-fitness.com, or you can go to mycolumbuspower.com, or you can get us on Facebook at Boss Fitness Studio for more information about our FIT applications. So now let's go.